morning, guys. My name is Jessica from Alicante Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you an amazing apartment between Playa del Cura and Playa de los Locos. It's with an amazing view, as you see, directly to the sea, and a special price of 240,000 euros. It's going to be a pleasure to show you this apartment with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a big living and dining room, and a separate kitchen. So now I'm going to show you the huge terrace with this beautiful view into the sun, directly to the sea, where you can enjoy your wine glass in the afternoons. So I go inside the property, where you can find a big living room with dining area in a big area full of light and fantasy, watching to the sea. If you follow me, I come with you to the 2 bathrooms this apartment has. One is with a bath, the main one. Then we have a second bathroom with a shower plate. And if you follow me, I show you the bedrooms. We have 2 nice big bedrooms with wardrobes. I'm going to show you also the second bedroom with a lot of space, also with a wardrobe and a window, which is quite important for circulation and to get natural light. So next part is the kitchen, where you have everything you need. You have your dishwasher, your cooker, fridge, and also, very interesting, a separate washing space and storage space outside just the kitchen. Okay guys, this is the end of the visit of this amazing apartment. I would love to get you here and view it yourself and enjoy. You can contact us anytime on the number you see down here. Have a nice day, and I wait for you here in Alicante Real Estate in the sun. Bye-bye.